This is a complete step-by-step tutorial in which we will go over how to actually use Canva like a pro, even if you're a complete beginner right now, and how to actually make anywhere from $700 to $1,000. And everything that I share in this step-by-step tutorial is available worldwide and doesn't really require any previous experience. Now, there's quite a few different ways to make money with Canva. We will go over all the 6 different ways that I've been using Canva to make money, including affiliate marketing. And some of the platforms that I've combined with Canva made me of thousands of dollars. Now, if you have never used Canva, here's how it actually works. And here's a brief overview of the entire platform and how to leverage all of their features. First things first, you will land to canva.com and you will need to sign up. Now, once you log into your brand new Canva account, this is what you will be able to see. On the left-hand side, you can see your account. On the left-hand side, you can also find your existing projects. You can find different templates. If you have Canva Pro, you can also find branded content here. So for example, I have specific colors that I'm using in these videos, like a combination of this green and black and white. So I added those colors and added my logos in the brand section. You can also add ads, but this is more advanced stuff that we will probably not be using throughout this video. You can also create documents with Canva, whiteboards, presentations, social media posts, videos, and even websites, which is pretty cool because I've made quite a bit of landing pages and websites with Canva, and it's completely free to do it. You don't even have to pay anything, and you can launch your website with Canva, which is something that not a lot of people actually talk about. And you can find almost anything, like if you want to create a YouTube channel art, you can just type in YouTube channel art, and it will show you a bunch of different templates for YouTube banners, and you can just customize them for completely free. If you want to create a logo design, you just type in logo design, and it's pretty easy to use all of these different features that they have available. Let's say, for example, I really like this logo. I can just click on customize this template, and I can start playing around. And I can pretty much change everything around this logo and download it for a complete livery. And once you're satisfied with your designs, with your videos, websites, whatever you created in Canva, you just have to click share here on the right-hand side, click download, and you can select a file type. If you're downloading it as a PNG file for the logo, then you can just select PNG or JPEG. If you want a PDF, you can do that, MP4 video GIFs, and then once you select the file type, you can enter the size if you want to change that. If not, I'm just going to keep it like this, and just click download, and I can have this on my computer ready to be used. Now, there's effectively 5 different ways to make money with Canva that we will be talking about in this step-by-step tutorial. The very first one is Pinterest affiliate marketing with Canva. And that's how I actually use one of these affiliate programs to make thousands of dollars. Then we also have TikTok combined with Canva and how to actually get paid thousands of dollars with faceless TikToks, which you can make in Canva for free. Then also CPA Marketing combined with Canva. We also have freelancing with Canva, and that's how I actually made over $10,000. And then we also have Etsy print on demand with Canva designs. Now you see, Pinterest.com is this platform that's being visited by over 1 billion people every single month. It's a platform where you can get a lot of free traffic, and you can research trends at trends.pinterest.com. You can see different things that are being trending right now and that a lot of people are searching for here on Pinterest. And based on that, and based on the niche that you choose, you can optimize your account. You can choose anything you want to promote through your Pinterest account. You can create valuable pins in Canva for completely free. You see, if you go to the search bar and you type in Pinterest, this is going to give you a bunch of different templates to choose from. If I search for Pinterest pins, I can see a bunch of different templates that I can use completely free of charge. And you can create those promo pins in Canva for completely free. There are a few example niches that we will try to replicate. So these are different accounts that are posting completely faceless TikToks and getting hundreds of thousands of views per TikTok. And some of them literally have millions of likes and hundreds of thousands of followers. And these completely faceless channels are literally getting millions of views. Like this one is getting 20 million views per TikTok, despite the fact that they have never really recorded anything with a camera. And Tik Tok Creativity Program, at least for me, is paying anywhere from 30 cents to $1.50 per 1,000 views. So you can just do the math and see how much money they are making for these millions of views. Tik Tok Creativity Program Beta is a completely new feature by TikTok, and in order to actually be monetized and be approved for Tik Tok Creativity Program, you need to meet the requirements, which are to have a US-based account, to be at least 18 years old, to have 10,000 followers and 100,000 views. Now, to actually generate very high-quality readers and create better content, I made a lot of different prompts and resources and templates that you can use for completely free. I'm giving them away for completely free. All that is going to be in the description below. There's no strings attached. I'm not going to ask you for your email. It's literally free. And this is the first thing. This is the ChatGPT prompt, which you can just copy and you can paste into ChatGPT to get a table of content made by ChatGPT. As you can see now, this AI tool will generate the title for our riddles. We will have the hook, different options, and of course the correct answer for each. Now, once you have the entire table, the next step is to copy that entire table. So literally just select everything that is inside, including title, hook, options, and stuff like that, and then just open up Google Sheets and just paste it in there. And then if needed, you will just have to remove the background colors and bold the title, hook, option, option 2, option 3, and answer at the end. If needed, I also left this example spreadsheet in the description box down below, so you can also access it for completely free to see how I personally made it. But you only need to do that so you can import that spreadsheet into this Canva template. They are also made for you for completely free, which is also going to be linked in the description below. So you can just click on Edit Template, and that's going to open up this reel over here that you can fully customize. So you can ask ChatGPT to do 100 of these in a table, and it's still going to require just one press of a button to generate hundreds of these different TikToks. Now yet, another great way to make money with Canva is through CPA Marketing. And there is a lot of different platforms where you can sign up and find a lot of CPA offers. And essentially, CPA just stands for cost per action, which means that you can get paid without selling anything. Because you can get paid when someone completes a certain action, which in most of the cases is just them entering the email address. And one of the apps that you can use is called TapMob, and it's absolutely free. And if someone sign-ups through my link, they don't have to spend any money. They literally just have to enter their email address, and I will make $5 or $6, depending on the offer. One of the platforms where you can share this is imgur.com, This is like absolutely free platform, where people will share different images and funny memes. So you can just create a free account, click on New Post, then just upload your design and a title. You can then post the same thing on Pinterest as well. So just click on Create a Pin, upload that, and you can pretty much use the same title and the same call to action. And then just add your special referral link and click Publish. And it's going to go live on Pinterest as well. And you can get some free traffic to your Canva design and then get people to sign up through your link and make money per each email collected. Another great way to make money with Canva is with Canva freelancing, which essentially means joining different freelancing platforms such as Fiverr, where you can sell different graphic design services and web design services, and then fulfilling those services using Canva. For example, if you go to Fiverr and you go to the graphics and design category, you can find a bunch of different templates. You can find a bunch of different services that you can fulfill with Canva. You can also sell business card designs, label designs. Whatever you see here, just go to Canva. You go to the search bar, you type in, for example, label design. And you will, in 99% of the cases, be able to find those templates. As you can see label design templates, here I found a bunch and I can easily customize them. I can click on Customize This and I can make my own drink here. As you can see now, I have a juice. Now I can download this design with one press of a button, either as a PDF print or PNG file. And another great way to make money with Canva is to Etsy print on demand. That essentially means signing up to Etsy and selling different printables and digital products that you can create with Canva. One of those is digital planners. And for example, this girl over here, she has this store where she's selling these digital planners for $4. And basically, if you go to Canva, you can search for planner templates and you can find a bunch of them. You will have to customize them a lot because obviously everyone else will be using these templates, so you have to actually make them unique. You gotta play around with designs. You gotta add some fancy stuff to stand out. You can't just take one of these, download them, and try to sell them. It wouldn't really work like that, and you might even get in some legal trouble. So you actually have to make some changes, maybe change fonts, change colors, add different elements. This is the creative part. This is like a fun part of this entire business. And you can just download this and you can start selling these planners, even customized ones on Etsy. And that's just one of the products that you can sell here. You can sell all sorts of different printables. You can sell stickers, logos, prompts, website designs, all sorts of different things. And even this tool that I'm using, I can research different stores and I can see what they're selling and what's performing well at this moment. If I go to the research section and I research different shops, it's going to show me the top Etsy sellers. And I can see what their stores are doing to make thousands of dollars a day. We can see that one of the top stores on Etsy, which is called Plannercade, and they're selling planners, is making over $8 million. So you can just go through and see what those top stores are selling and try to see if you can create the same thing using Canva.